let's talk about estimating rehabs, right? You got the background. You've been doing this for a while. It's still hard to do. Someone comes up to you and says, like, how do you estimate something? Are you going by, hey, I know a kitchen for me costs this, a bath costs this? Are you going by a per square foot? Like, give us the high level view when you walk into a house. Like, how are you coming up with just those high level numbers on the spot?
On the spot, um, it's, you could always go by square foot, depending on what it is, duplex or, single family, or a little bit different. But, something more on the full gut, I'd say like conservatively 75 a square foot is good. But I like to get a little bit, obviously once you start getting into it, by bathroom, kitchen, depending on what the scope of work is, by sheet even on the drywall side, depending what it is, get more detail on that side. But yeah, I could get into details, but there's a lot to the estimating side. I think a good rule of thumb for somebody who's looking, 75 square foot. But definitely, way to do it is get a GC in there and walk the property with you.
Okay. I guess let me ask you, like, when you're doing it, are you saying like, okay, tile is this per square foot? Or are you just saying, hey, I know it cost me this much to go to bathroom? Just for your own experience, when your own property, not even for a client, for your own experience, you're walking a property. How are you coming up with these numbers to see like, hey, I might offer on this thing?
Yeah, definitely. From experience, a bathroom cost me this much a gut. With this, the labor is the same for the most part. With a certain type of tile, whether it's $3 or $4. I pretty much from that point I get my numbers for bathrooms and kitchens, and that's pretty much how I go. Paint, per square foot is a fair way to go. But yeah.
Cool. Mark, anything else?
All right. No, that was good. You got a lot of good information there. We appreciate you coming on here. So I'm ready to wrap.
Let's wrap it.
Cool.